Hello everyone, I'm here to report or discuss about multiplication of binary numbers. So multiplication in binary is exactly as it is in decimal. Multiply number right to left and multiply each digit of one number to every digit of the other number. Then sum them up. The three basic binary multiplication rules are also similar to decimal. So the rules are 1 times 1 equals 1. So 1 times 0 equals 0. 0 times 1 equals 0. And 0 times 0 equals 0. See here are some info how binary works. So binary is a counting system based on 2. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. So I'm going to give you here some equivalent values of decimals to binary. So decimal binary, 0 is equivalent to 0, 1 is 1, 2 is 1 0, 3 is 1 1, 4 is 1 0 0, 5 is 1 0 1, so on. So here is the first example. So here we got our first example, 1 0 0 multiplied by 0 1 1. So first we'll start with the first digit. In this case we got 1 and multiply by 1 0 0. So 1 times 1 0 0, which give the exact same number. So 1 times 1 0 0 will be 1 0 0. Next we need to do is the second digit and proceed to do the same. Since it is also 1, number will remain intact. We just need to shift the number one digit to the left. So 1 times 1 0 0 will be 1 0 0. As you can see over here, it is just shifted to the left since we are already in the second column. So next is our next number will be 0. Since our last digit is a 0, we can skip and start with our addition. So let's add. So 1 0 0 plus 1 0 0. So 0, bring down 0, 0 plus 0 will be 0, 1 plus 0 will be 1, bring down 1. So our answer will be 1 1 0 0. 1 0 0 multiplied by 0 1 1 will be 1 1 0 0. So how do we check if our answer is correct? So to check if our answer is correct, we need to convert our binary to decimal. So here, the first column, our value of the first column is 1, second column is 2 and 4. So the value of 100 in decimal is 4, and the value of 011 in decimal is 3. That's 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. So our answer is 1100. So as you can see over here, 8 plus 4 equals 12. So our answer is correct. So here is our second example. So let's say we multiply 101 by 11. So first, let's see first the decimal value of our given. So let's convert first 101. So this has a column value of 1, 2, and 4. So 101 is basically 4 plus 1, which is 5. So binary number 11 is gonna be 2 plus 1, as you can see, which is 3. So we will multiply 5 times 3. 5 times equals 15. Let's see if we get the answer. So first we need to do 1 times 1, which is 1, and then multiply 1 by 0. 1 times 0 is 0, and then let's multiply 1 times 1, which is 1 times 1 equals 1. Now to go to the next row, we need to add 0, and then multiply 1 times 1, which is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. So here's a trick. So this is if this is a 1, we're gonna get exactly as these three numbers. As you can see, we got 1 0 1. So we multiply 1 by these three numbers, we're gonna get exactly these three numbers. So if we multiply 1 by something, we're gonna get those numbers. If you multiply 0 by those numbers, we're gonna get 0. So it's two rows. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. And this we can bring a 1. So let's separate this in columns. So let's check. So this column has value 1, 2, 4, and 8. So h1 of 8 plus 4 equals 12 plus 2 plus 14 plus 1 equals 15. So our answer is correct. So here are next example. So let's multiply 110 times 11101. So here in our next example, we got 110 multiplied by 101. So here, let's start with the first number, 1 times 110. So since we got 1, it will give us the same result. So 1 times 110 will be 110. So next we get to put 0, or we can shift to access the next column. So let's multiply 0 by 110 will be 0. So 0 times 0 will be 0. 0 times 1 will be 0. And 0 times 1 will get 0. So whenever you get 0, the answer will be 0. So the next number, we need to add 2 zeros or shift another digit, since it's already the third column. So 1 times 110 will be 110, because it's 1. So you can see it's the same as that number. So let's add. So 0, 1 plus 0 plus 0 will be 1. So this is going to be the same. 0 plus 1 is 1. This is 1. So let's check the answer. So this is going to be 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So let's put a line over here. Let's column this. So 4 plus 2, which is 6. And this is 4 plus 1, which is 5. 6 times 5 is 30. So here we have 16 plus 8 plus 24 equals 24, plus 4, that's 28, plus 2 equals 30. So we get the same answer. So it's correct. So we're here in our last examples. So we multiply 1 1 1 1 times 1 1 1 1. So let's multiply 1 times 1. So 1 times 1 equals 1. 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 So we'll put 0 here to access the next row. Let's put 1 1 1 1. Then we'll put 2 zeros to the next row. So it's 1 1 1 1. So we're going to put 3 0 to access the last row. So multiply, we got answer 1 1 1 1. So let's start adding. So we got to this part. This part is pretty simple. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 1. So 1 plus 1 equals 0. Carry 1. So how did it happen? So 2 in decimal or in binary is 0 1. So that's why we put 0 over there and carry 1. So here we put 0. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the value of 2 is 1, 0. So we put 0 down, we carry the 1. So in this case, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll get 4 ones. 4 in binary is 1, 0, 0. So we'll put 0 over here, and the next 0 act like 0 over here. So the next one will be carried over here. So the next column will be the same. 4 ones. So 4 and 0 equals 1, 0, 0. So put first 0 over here. The 0 will over here. The 1 will be carried over here. So we get the same thing. We could put 0. The next 0, put 0 here and carry 1 over here. So we have 3 ones. So 3 in binary is 1, 1. So we're gonna put 1 and carry over 1 over there. So we're gonna 3. So again, so it's 1 and 1. So that's how. So this is the answer. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1.